Hello, welcome to Pink Faluda. In this video, you're going to see how to make dal or lentil curry. This is mainly used as a side dish. It goes well with a lot of food items, for example rice, roti, bread and naan. There are many ways to make this. You can also make a hot, a spicy version too. But today I'll show you how to make an easy, normal and less spicy one. First, we have to clean the dal. I'm using split red dal today. Take a cup of dal in a bowl, add water and wash it thoroughly, then drain it and wash again. I wash it 3 to 4 times, sometimes even 5. The main reason to washing it is to remove the raw smell of the dal. If you don't clean it well, a well-cooked dal curry will still have the raw smell. Once you've finished cleaning, add some water to it and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the other items. You will need 1 medium-sized onion sliced, green chili halved, 1 inch cinnamon bark, 1 garlic halved, 1 or 2 cloves, 1 cardamom pod, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon curry powder, quarter to half teaspoon chili powder. Put them all into a cooking pot, then drain and add the dal into the pot as well. Now mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Add a little salt to it and mix again. I add only a little salt at the beginning. You can always add more salt according to your preference at the end of the cooking. Now add half a cup of milk into the pot. I usually cook with half full cow milk, but if you live in a country where you have more access to coconut milk, then you can use it. Usually coconut milk is thicker, so make sure that you dilute it with equal amount of water. There will be a mild difference between the flavor of cow milk curry and the flavor of the coconut milk curry. Add 3 cups of water to it and mix well. Now put the lid and cook it in medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Once you see this forming, open the lid and stir the curry a few times. Then close it with the lid again. Now keep it in a low flame and cook for another 15 minutes. Now it's time to check the dal. It's cooked well. I like the consistency of the curry to be a little more thicker, so I'm going to cook it for another few more minutes with the lid open. Now the tasty dal curry is ready. Try this and let me know on the comment section below. If you like my videos and want to see more, please subscribe, like and share. I'll see you with another recipe soon. Until then, take care.